I want to tell you something up front. This isn't just a challenge, it's a program, and it works. For nearly 15 years, I worked alongside an internal medicine physician, helping prepare and support lifestyle health workshops outside of his medical practice. I watched people walk in with real diagnoses: high blood pressure, diabetes, chronic fatigue, inflammation. And I watched what happened when they followed a simple, structured lifestyle program. And what I saw was consistent. In every workshop the doctor led, everyone improved their health in some way. Not everyone was trying to lose weight, but whatever the body needed, it responded. Blood pressure came down. A1C numbers dropped within 40 days. Energy returned. Clarity improved. 40 days. That's not a long time, but it's powerful. And then the 40 days ended. People went home. Life started knocking. Old routines crept back in. Stress got loud. And slowly, sometimes faster than they expected, they found themselves back where they started. Some even ended up worse than before. Not because the program failed, but because they were left to do it alone. That's where most health journeys break down. For 40 days, you'll be guided through one program, God's System, a formula designed at creation, meant to work with the body, not against it. These principles apply across lifestyle diseases, not as a quick fix, but as a restoration process if the disease has not run its full course. We can't make guarantees. Every person's situation is different. Bodies carry different histories. Healing doesn't look the same for everyone. But here's what we know. When God's system is followed, the body responds, and it responds within 40 days. Scripture shows us this pattern again and again. Moses spent 40 days in the presence of God before coming down changed. Elijah walked 40 days on divinely given strength before his restoration. Jesus fasted 40 days in the wilderness before stepping into his ministry. In the Bible, 40 days marks a season of testing, resetting, and transformation, long enough for real change, short enough to stay engaged. The 40 days don't exist to impress you, they exist to show you what's possible. What makes this different is that it doesn't stop there. This continues in community. Because most people don't fail from lack of knowledge, they falter when life presses in and they're trying to hold the line alone. This is simple, it's doable, it's even enjoyable. There's accountability, there's structure, but most importantly, there's community. People walking the same road, learning the same principles, and supporting one another forward. We're in a season when many people are quietly saying, "I can't keep doing it this way." This group begins just after the new year, and enrollment is open now so we can prepare well. Once we begin, doors will close so the community can stay focused and supported. There is a membership for those who want to stay connected and continue the journey, monthly or yearly, designed to be accessible and rooted in care, not pressure. If you're living with a lifestyle disease that hasn't run its full course yet, you owe it to yourself to try. 40 days can change direction. Community helps it last. Not perfectly, not alone, but together.